Gukinyaniria na riu macira maria makoretwo magithikiririo na gutwithanio ni magoti ni makiria ma gicunje kia 90% undu uria uthiete na mbere na kuhe Akenya mwihoko na ruhonge rwa magoti kuona kwa ihinda iraya macira maingi makoretwo mateguthikiririo na gutwithanio. Akiaria ari mwena wa Naivasha hindi ya giikaro na majaji, munini wa mucirithania munene Philomena Mwilu ni agwetete ukunderu wa kigina tondu ukoretwo kihinyiriria ruhonge rwa magoti.
Our experience over the past 6 years has proven that digitization offers immense benefits to the judiciary. Inappropriate legal frameworks including outdated laws and the failure of legislation and jurisprudence to keep us with the fast evolving digital environment, culture change, challenges that are related to our upbringing, and a lack of resource.
Mwilu augete mwaka muhituku macira 179,377 nimo mathikiriirio na gutwithanio hari macira 181,439 maria mandikithitio. Akiuga ruhonge rwa magoti ni rukoretwo rukihimberia technology undu uria umateithitie na njira nene.
Between July and December last year, the magistrate courts across the country, an entire 181,439 matters were filed. I am aware, because where I sit, I check on our performance. I haven't been faithful to the oath on that one, but wait for me, I am coming. During that same period, a whole 179,377 matters were resolved.
Mwena-ini wake kamishna kuma kamiti-ini ya JSC Jacqueline Igutia ni ongereire ati ni mararaniria na ruhonge rwa kigina niguo mathukirwo kigina makiria na muoroto wa kugacirithia magoti na gwaka mangi meru.
We plan to undertake promotions for magistrates and cadis by June 2025. The reason we didn't do it last year, you all know we suffered budget cuts, and we hope that those who qualify will apply, and we are committed to ensuring that the deserving JOs get their promotions.
Girifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwa Wagoi wa Muirore.